Hello everyone, glad to have you back here with us at Win-Viet. Last time, we concluded with the firing of the ceramic shells. Today, we'll continue our journey to the most critical stages of the process, melting and casting. It begins with the heat treatment of these shells. The purpose behind this second heat is to increase the shell's strength to withstand the extreme pressure and temperature of the molten metal. Simultaneously, the high temperature will completely eliminate any residual wax left after the dewaxing process, ensuring a perfectly clean and smooth mold surface. After 45 minutes, the shells are ready to be filled with the molten metal. This is the culmination of our process, where precision and timing are critical. Using manual pouring techniques, we ensure the molten metal is introduced with precision, allowing it to fully fill every intricate detail of the preheated mold cavity. This method gives our skilled operators full control, guaranteeing superior quality and a flawless final product. After the shells are fully filled with molten metal, a crucial cooling period begins. As the alloy cools, it forms a consistent and strong crystalline structure, giving the final product its superior durability. But wait a minute, are we forgetting to mention a very big important part? What about the melting stage? We start melting our specialized alloy and metal in the induction furnace, even before our ceramic shells are put into the dewaxing furnace. To ensure the quality of our molten metal is flawless, a strict composition analysis is required. Our technicians use a spectroscope to analyze the chemical composition, ensuring it meets the exact specifications for the final part. If needed, we make precise adjustments to the alloy based on the current analysis. The batch is then retested to confirm its quality before final approval. Then the qualified sample will be labeled, classified, and stored in our lab for later examination and tracking. That's all for the casting and melting process. See you in our next video.